Hey there, it's Jason here from 1 Hour Forex, and today is February 14th, 2012, and it's Valentine's Day, and I just want to say Happy Valentine's Day to all the sweet ladies out there. Okay, so anyway, here is 6 o'clock right here, which is 1 o'clock in the morning, so our first trade setup, our candle is on the 2 o'clock a.m. It's right here. And as you can see, it opened up right here and came down, came back up. There was no buy trade on there. And I don't believe there was a sell either, even if it did come up to 31.50 and come down again, because there was only 6 pips from the entry to S1. So there was no buy, there was no sell, there was nada, nothing. Okay? Unless, no, not even, no unless. There's just no trade there. Okay? It didn't bounce off anything either way. And 31.50 and the S1 was too close either direction for a trade. So there's no trade on there, no matter which way you look at it. Okay? Now, the 3 o'clock, there's definitely a trade on that puppy. Okay? And the 4 o'clock, there was a trade. Okay? So anyway, it opened up, came down, rejected 31.50, almost rejected S1, came up, turned blue. So you got in that trade, 1 pip after it turned blue. It gave you a total of about 21 pips right to here. I would have taken it right here at this resistance. Okay, about 19 or 20 pips. If you didn't, you got 14 on the close. Now, if we draw a line, okay, trend line, like this. It's kind of hard to draw it. Okay. As you can see, this 4 o'clock candle opened up, came down, bounced off the trend line, came back up, turned blue, and when your target would have been the pivot. So you got in right there, and that was good for 15 pips to the close. So you had 2 winning trades there, 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Now here is the 8 o'clock candle right here in the US session. We would have liked to seen it open up, come up to the pivot, come back down, turn red. Didn't do that. Didn't do that. Okay. 10 o'clock bar. You're going to have to go look at that. I can't just judge by looking at the chart here. So let's look at the 15-minute. Okay. Oh, hold on. We need to put an entry. So our entry to go long would have been right there when it turned blue. So let's look at the 15. Okay. Okay, so right on the open. Okay. Yes, came down, came up, turned blue. You would have got long here. And if you didn't take any pips on it, you would have got out with just a few pips right here, or break even. Okay? Like it shows here. It gave you a potential of 23 pips or so, but then pulled back and closed a couple pips higher from your entry point. Then at the 10 o'clock candle, basically there was a trade on there too. Do you see it? Do you see what I see? A long trend line all the way down. Boo, 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 doo. Okay. Anyway, it didn't quite make it there, but still good enough if it would have missed it by a few pips. Came back down, turned red, okay? You would have got short right there, but hold on, maybe not. From there to there, no, there's no trade there either. And the reason there was no trade even after it cleared through 51.50 because from there to there, it's still not enough pips. So there was no trade on that big bearish candle. Okay? So in the US session, there was only the one trade right here. Got you long. If you took a few pips, you took a few pips. Like I told you before, your target would have been the pivot. The pivot is 37 pips. Okay, it gave you 20 pips. It gave you 50% of your target price. Okay, your stop would have been right here below this swing low. So after you moved, after you've seen half of your target, I tell you to lock in a couple pips. So you would have locked in a few pips, you never would have lost on that trade. And that's the way you got to do that. As quick as you can get into a trade and get some pips in your pocket, you move that stop, lock in a couple pips, you're in a free trade. There's no way you can lose. And that's the way you got to do it. So anyway, thanks for watching the videos today. The video today. Once again, happy Valentine's Day, and we'll see you tomorrow.